Yes. So, well, I don't know, say One Nation and I'm our nation. My name is Nigo Simar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You understand my deal? So, we're there once again with the music reviews. Cause the people in my crown with the king. You understand? Just check the comments. The man me a cry. You understand? And me a say it. Are the people in my crown with the king of reaction, the king of reviews. You understand? So, make sure you go check out Cairo Dan on the Viva channel. Cause this is who we're going to scrutinize right now. Because one thing with me, I love music and I love music bad. So if you don't want me reviewing the music, you can make sure it's on the DM up on the gram. Zine? So that one I know is Cairo Dan Sawdust. You understand? Let's get to work, ladies and gentle G's.
Strap bang.
We're ready for one hour now. Ramp with me and see me now. Lush on the face, pussy. Go suck your mama. Gun them big in your mama.
We all know which part of the audio coming from the viral clip with the brother. I say, yo, me have me gun them.
And that me I tell you, pussy. Me done me gun in your face.
Modify baby Merita, never jam. Keep up my belly down a tone clip ram. As he do stone rifle in a me hand. Fire from a distance, heady this down. 17 bus face, fuck up your tire. Yeah. This thing no play, can't stop a Kentire. Yeah. With the organ, fuck up every empire. Yeah. Random killing you for dead for my brother. Head hotter than a gabba jump on a ladder. Lead never fall, suck your mother.
Suck your mama.
Chin play with the 15 till it till it come out. In a boy excited shot. Okay for the everything sweet like Rihanna. Yeah. Run up on the dance thing to feel like your mother. Them a cartoon and made Anna Montana. 8 years guns out you bad shabba.
Man said the thing them sing sweet like Rihanna. Them a cartoon in a them head Anna Montana. Anna Montana want show still, but I understand the GSA. You understand the GSA, yo, at Disney time in the depon kids thing. We are big man around us, you understand? Them man a scratch all them blood clot head with them strap right side of them face. You understand? Them a daily road boy. Man them have beer strap the dog them grimy. Weed smoke, everything a go on the place. Cairo Dan. Yeah man, that one a body see. The dog DJ for about a good 15 seconds, no bass line. And then the bass line drop in pan like the 12 bar. The bass line come in sick. I like that. Because the dog a chop up the rhythm, you know. Because some man go out them can't DJ pan rhythm without bass line and kicking a brother. So the dog DJ with the instrument them, no bass. For about a good 15 seconds and then the bass line was dropping. But anyway, let's continue right now, bad bro. I'm like this so far.
When I talk, when I laugh, some waist girl when I fuck, start chop, bust.
Nah, fuck waist girl.
Mass up, head crack, heart bust, blood everywhere, sawdust. Be a killer, they a gunman, we a trap. Money no fire, we and them no know the hot spot. And this year sell out with the scope on the top. Boy, I kill my friend, him off a dead back. Heart not fridge, fire pa me head top. Fuck sentence, can't see me sell back. Mark to the game, zook so open lock. Can't stop fire till the spring fill. AK-47 sweet like Rihanna. Run up on the damn things I feel like your brother. Them a cartoon and made
Anna Montana.
8 guns out you bad shabba. Modify baby that they jam. Keep up my belly down a tone clip ram. As he do stone rifle in a me hand. Fire from a distance, heady this down. 17 bus face fuck up your tire. This thing no play can't stop a Kentire. With the organ fuck up every empire. Random killing you for dead for my brother.
Walla. Easy. First of all, the visuals them sick. I like how the whole of the dog them serious in the video. But check this. It's a Cairo Dan. One thing I rate about him, the dog, him don't show no emotions on him face. The dog face look the same throughout the whole music video. Zine, the dog just look grimy. And it add that effect there to the music video. Griminess. You understand? Because the dog could have said, yo, my cartoon in there made Anna Montana. Like him could have a mac and cheer the man them, but the dog serious throughout the whole music video. Them a cartoon in the mid Hannah Montana. You see me I say? I mean like that. It give the song a grimy effect where it need. And whosoever direct this, I like it. Them do a good job. Go continue.
Hotter than a gabba jump on a ladder. Lead never fall, suck your mother.
Suck your mama.
Chin play with the 15 till it time. I left it in a boy head side head shot. That AK-47 sing sweet like Rihanna. Run up on the damn things I feel like your mother. Them a cartoon and made
Hannah Montana.
8 guns out you bad shabba.
We're ready for one hour now. Ramp with me and see me now. Lush on the face, pussy. Go suck your mama.
Whoa.
If you run up your blood clot and gunshot here in this. And that me I tell you, pussy. Don't me gun in your face.
Yo, walla. You see this right, sir? I like it, so I forgot to pull it up back. Because we'll pause the song, pause. I'm going to play the song right through right now. This bad, brother. I rate this. Like 100%. The music clean. The song grime. You don't know dancehall have if not sex or badness. You understand? And you execute it well, bro. You understand me? Let me know. So you probably stay in a real life. You understand me? I say, G? The whole of the dog them on the ends them add that tug effect there with the song need because alone badness not the song. Any boy this, the youth who kill my friend him off a dead back. Alone kill you if you got dead. A random kill you if you got dead because them kill my brother. You understand what I say? So, yo, let's continue again, brother. I like this, but make sure you go check out him Viva and him Instagram. You understand my daily? And make sure you check out Strap Down Records. You understand my day? What name? Star Strap Records. Yeah. Make sure you check out Cairo Dan on Instagram. Cairo_Dan. And make sure you go check out Star Strap Records _ on Instagram. I say my daily. So we are go right back into the tune right now because I tell you the tune. You understand my daily? Let's go!
Strap bang.
We're ready for one hour now. Ramp with me and see me now. Flush on the face, pussy. Go suck your mama. Gun them big in your mama. We're ready for run down your blood clot and gunshot you in this. And that me I tell you, pussy. Me gun in your face.
Modify baby, Merita, never jam.
Yeah.
Keep up my baby, don't have to clip round. As he do stone rifle in me hand. From my distance, ready down. Everything bust face, fuck up your tire. This thing no play, can't stop a Kentire. With the organ, fuck up every empire. Random killing you for dead for my brother. Head hotter than a gabba jump on a ladder. Lead never fall, suck your mother.
Suck your mother.
Chin play with the 15 till it time. I left it in a boy head side headshot. Got a AK-47 sing sweet like Rihanna. Run up on the dance things I feel like your mother. Them a cartoon on me.
Anna Montana.
ATL guns out of you bad shabba. We no ramp on the talk, we no laugh. Some ways girl we nah fuck start chop but
Nah fuck with girl.
Give a mass up, head crack, heart bust. Blood everywhere, sawdust.
Sawdust, hey.
Be a killer, they a gunman, we a trap. Money no fire, we and them no know the hot spot. Brandish SLR with the scope on the top. Boy, I kill my friend, him off a dead back. Heart not free fire for me head top. Fuck sentence, can't see me sail back. Mark to the game, zook so win lock. Nah stop fire till the spring fill up. AK-47 sing sweet like Rihanna. Run up on the dance things I feel like your mother. Them a cartoon on me, Anna Montana. ATL guns out of you bad shabba. Modify baby, Merita, never jam. Keep up my baby, don't have to clip ram. As he do stone rifle in me hand. Fire from a distance. Ready this down. Everything bust face, fuck up your tire. This team no play, can't stop a Kentire. See your organ, fuck up every empire. Random killing you for dead for my brother. Head hotter than a gabba jump on a ladder. Lead never fall, suck your mother.
Suck your mama.
Chin play with the 15 till it time. I left it in a boy head side headshot. Got a AK-47 sing sweet like Rihanna. Run up on the dance things I feel like your mother. Them a
Cartoon in the bed, Anna Montana.
ATL guns out of you bad shop.
Well done. Yo, you see this right so? I rate it gone to bed bad, bro. Make sure you follow Star Strap Records. You understand my daily part Instagram. It's at Star Strap Records _ and then make sure you follow the artist Cairo _ Dan. You understand what I say? Yeah man, the dog. But I have a couple more songs on him in Vivo. Me that check out. Official man. Yo, you don't know say one nation and I'm our nation. Let me know what you think about the song. You understand what I say? Up move, Cairo Dan. Big up yourself.